Hey guys, here we have a John Deere JX75 lawnmower. This lawnmower features a Kawasaki 6 horsepower pressure lubricated engine. It's a 21-inch cut. It's an aluminum deck, so it won't rust or rot. It's got ball bearing wheels, so you have a nice smooth ride. It's an easy start. Comes with bagger. Has a 5-speed transmission, which you control here. You have your throttle choke here. You have your blade control and blade engagement here. This has a blade brake clutch, so that means you can start the mower with the blade disengaged for safety, and then push this down, push this forward, and engage the blades. And then when you go to change the bag, for example, you let go of this, disengages the blade, engine still runs, and that way you don't have to worry about restarting it every time. This right here has your drive, so you can either use this to go forward, or you have the blades going, you squeeze the bottom lever and go forward. Alright. Now, give it a start. Here's the muffler. Here's a cold start, so you can see. Muffler is cold. It's an overhead valve engine. It's cold. Has a fuel shut off. Fuel's on. I don't know much fuel in it, but hopefully it should start. Got this on choke. Initial start of the season. Yeah, so it's been sitting since fall. Not bad. I think it needs some gas. Yeah, I'll have to put some gas in it. Alright, take two. I had to put some gas in it. There's idling. Full speed. Push this lever down. Now you got your blades engaged. Then hard speed. See all the gears work. Five, quite fast. All right, John Deere JX75, beautiful lawnmower. Thanks guys, hope someone's interested.